Ladies and gentlemen, every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. In 2018, we introduced Proper No. 12 Irish whiskey, a rich and smooth blend of triple distilled malt and grain, aged for 4 years in bourbon barrels. This is liquid gold, and it didn't just change the entire Irish whiskey industry, it changed the way we drink whiskey. Well, now we have a new revolutionary product. This is Proper No. 12 Irish Apple. A blend of award-winning Proper No. 12 Irish whiskey with notes of crisp and juicy Irish apple. Proper Irish Apple is the result of comprehensive drinking research and development by our fine distillery workers, along with many executive decisions by Proper No. 12 founder and chairman, yours truly. We work tirelessly to bring out Proper Irish Apple's delicious flavour profile that's not just smooth, it's smooth to the core. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no other apple liquor that tastes like this. It's a bit of Irish apple magic that can only come from our storied distillery. And with several convenient bottle sizes, Proper No. 12 Irish Apple is now available for weddings, funerals, fight nights, and a round of shots for the entire pub. Best of all, ladies and gentlemen, it's on shelves right now, just in time for St. Patrick's Day. How do you like them apples?